Healthcare is not a spectator sport. It demands action, precision, and split-second decisions, often under immense pressure. Yet, traditional training methods often fall short of preparing healthcare professionals for the dynamic, high-stakes reality of their profession. This is where e-learning simulation training emerges as a game changer. Imagine a surgical resident practicing a complex procedure not on a cadaver, but on a virtual patient, experiencing the sights, sounds, and even the tactile sensations of the operating room. Imagine a nurse navigating a chaotic emergency room scenario, making critical decisions that impact patient outcomes, all within a safe and controlled virtual environment. This is the power of eLearning simulation training. It transcends passive learning, immersing healthcare professionals in realistic scenarios that mirror real-world challenges. By providing a safe space to practice, make mistakes, and refine skills, simulations bridge the gap between theory and practice, ultimately leading to improved patient care and safety. But creating truly effective e-learning simulations is not as simple as recording a lecture and slapping on a multiple-choice quiz. It requires a deep understanding of adult learning principles, a commitment to fidelity and realism, and a touch of creative artistry. Designing effective e-learning simulations for healthcare professionals is not for the faint of heart. It's a meticulous process that demands a unique blend of instructional design expertise, clinical knowledge, and a dash of empathy. Firstly, instructional designers must truly understand the target audience. What are their existing knowledge gaps? What are their day-to-day challenges? What motivates them to learn? Only by stepping into the shoes of a busy nurse, a time-pressed physician, or a harried medical technician can we create simulations that resonate and deliver true value. Next comes the crucial element of realism. Healthcare professionals can sniff out a contrived scenario from a mile away. The simulations must be rooted in authenticity, reflecting the complexities and nuances of real-world healthcare settings. This means sweating the details, accurate medical terminology, realistic patient avatars, and even incorporating the beeps and alarms of medical equipment. Finally, effective simulations are not just about technical accuracy. They need to be engaging. Gamification elements, branching scenarios, and interactive storytelling can transform a dry training module into an immersive learning experience that captures attention and drives knowledge retention. The path to creating impactful healthcare simulations is paved with challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is overcoming the death by PowerPoint syndrome. Too often, simulations devolve into glorified slideshows with minimal interactivity. The solution? Embrace active learning. Incorporate decision points, force learners to make choices, and provide immediate personalized feedback based on their actions. Another challenge lies in balancing fidelity with feasibility. While hyper-realistic simulations are ideal, they can be time-consuming and costly to develop. The key is to prioritize. Focus on aspects directly relevant to the learning objectives. For example, a simulation on administering medication might not require a photorealistic patient avatar, but would benefit from a highly accurate virtual syringe and medication vial. Perhaps the most daunting challenge is keeping up with the ever-evolving healthcare landscape. New technologies, procedures, and best practices emerge constantly. Designers must stay abreast of these changes, constantly updating and refining simulations to reflect current realities. Partnering with subject matter experts and incorporating real-time feedback mechanisms can help ensure ongoing relevance. A skilled craftsperson needs the right tools, and the same is true for instructional designers crafting effective e-learning simulations. Thankfully, a plethora of tools and technologies are available to bring these simulations to life. For basic branching scenarios and interactive quizzes, tools like Articulate Storyline and Adobe Captivate offer user-friendly interfaces and a wealth of built-in features. For more complex simulations involving virtual environments and realistic patient interactions, platforms like Second Life and Unity provide greater flexibility and customization options. Beyond these core tools, a variety of specialized software and resources can enhance the realism and impact of simulations. For instance, anatomical visualization tools can be integrated to provide learners with interactive three-dimensional models of the human body, while virtual reality and augmented reality technologies offer even more immersive and engaging learning experiences.